Hey guys, Angie here, and I help Etsy sellers to build and scale their stores to six figures and beyond with print on demand. And in today's video, we are going to talk about things that you can sell on Etsy, and one thing that is coming up right now is back to school. And this is one of the most lucrative niches for print on demand. And I'm also going to be showing you some items today that I had made from Printify, and then we are going to talk about how you can find great back to school items that you can sell in your Etsy store. And we're going to go through all of the process to make sure that you can actually get found in the Etsy search for these items as well. Now today's video is sponsored by Printify. You guys know that I love Printify, and I use this in my own t-shirt store, and I love to share with you all the tips for maximizing your sales in an automated way with Printify.
Streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Okay guys, so let's get started. Today we are going to be talking about two specific items. We're going to be talking about custom pencil cases and also t-shirts. So I am going to show you how to find these designs, how to do the keyword research, how to tap into those low competition, high search volume keywords if you want to do these items. So first, let's take a look at this pencil case. So I actually for this just went into Canva and put a nice little rainbow icon on here and a name. And this is something that is really popular on Etsy, is actually custom items. And we're going to take a look at exactly how you can do this today. So the quality of this pencil case is really good. The zipper works perfectly. You can see inside there. And one thing that I would say about the print of this, I might have printed it a slightly too high. So if you're putting a design on a pencil case, you want to make sure that you just pull it down just a little bit from that box. And I will show you how to do that today. But this is a really cute item that is very inexpensive for you to fulfill, and they are very popular on Etsy right now. Now the next item, toss that over there, we're going to talk about is t-shirt designs, and specifically for teachers, and I'm going to show you how hot these are right now on Etsy. So I have the Gildan soft style t-shirt here, which is on sale on Printify as of August 1st. I'm going to give you guys a whole list of all the items that are on sale right now for back to school. But as you can see with this one, what I like about these is that Printify puts the design into the shirt, so it's not vinyl that's sitting on top that's going to crack and get all gross. When you wash this, it still looks as perfect as ever. This one was printed by Monster Digital, and it arrived super fast, literally within just a few days of ordering. So that is good news for your customers, so that you can compete on Etsy when it comes to shipping time, which is very, very important. So let's go ahead and hop over to the screen share, and I'll show you guys my exact process for finding winning items for back to school. All right, so if you haven't signed up for Printify yet, I'm going to leave my link directly below this video. Printify is going to print and ship your items for you, which is going to help you automate your Etsy shop. Now, before we get into the full tutorial on how to find these back to school designs, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the discounted items for August. So I'm going to go ahead and link this directly below this video. This is the back to school sale page on Printify. The amount of money that a lot of parents are planning to spend for school items is between $250 and $500. So you want to be the one that they are actually purchasing from. So starting August 1st through September 15th, you can get a discount on all of these back to school items to help you grow your business. So we have some bags here, t-shirts, notebooks, water bottles, shoes, backpacks, hoodies, all sorts of different things that you can include in your store and Printify is going to print and ship those to your customers for you. This is a very lucrative time for print on demand, so you want to make sure that you are getting a head start on this and getting these items in your store right now. Now, when it comes to finding the items to sell, there are two tools that I like to use in my business to help me do this. Number one is going to be Insight Factory, and then number two is going to be Sale Samurai. And I will show you the exact process that I will do in order to find winning products. So inside of Insight Factory, we are going to be looking at the best-selling items on Etsy, and I have typed in back to school up here at the top. And if we scroll down, something that I thought was interesting was back to school supplies for teens. As you can see, 12 listings on the first page actually had sales today, and there's 2,000 sellers on Etsy that are currently selling these. And to me, that is considered a very low competition, right? Really anything under 15 to 10,000 is considered a low competition in my book. So we're going to click through at details and see some of the listings for back to school supplies. And as we click through here, I'm just going to click on the faves. So it sorts it from the highest favorites to the lowest. And then I scrolled down here and I saw this pencil case. Now this is like a kawaii pencil case. However, that sparked an idea in my brain that just if I go to Etsy and search pencil case, then I can get a good idea of what is really selling in this arena aside from just the kawaii pencil case. So I am over on Etsy in an incognito window, and I do that so that my past searches do not affect the algorithm here. And so as we can see, here is a custom name pencil case. So if we click through here, we can see that this actually is a bestseller. As you see, it's very similar to the one that I did show at the beginning of my video, except it is a different color. They have like a cream color pencil case with like a white zipper, different rainbow, and then a custom name. We have seen that this is a bestseller. If we scroll down, we can see this item has 162 reviews. That means at least 3 times that number have been the amount of sales of this item. And I went ahead and did a quick analytic report on this item, and as you can see that this is getting on estimate 59 sales per month, which is an average of $883 in revenue for this one best-selling item. So now what I'm going to do to verify that I can actually find a place in Etsy and if I'm a new store, get found. We're going to go over to Sale Samurai and type in the keyword for this pencil pouch, pencil case, and see what Sale Samurai says about the competition. We are logged into Sale Samurai. We are under search and basic search, and when I typed in pencil case and hit search. So we have the keyword here. You can see the search volume on Etsy is 942 people searching for this, and the competition is steep, right? 50,000 is a lot of competition. So what we know we need to do now is dig deeper, find a more specific keyword that is going to help us actually get found, because we're going to have a hard time competing with 50,000 plus sellers on Etsy if we are a new store. So we can scroll down and see some of the other keywords and tags that this tool is suggesting. So here's kids pencil case, and that one says that it is low competition. This one, teacher gifts pencil case, also says low competition. And then you can see some of the other keywords right here. And I'm going to go ahead and type in just one of these. We'll type in kids pencil case and see what it does in the basic search. So I have typed in kids pencil case, and as you can see here, the search volume says it's about 45, click-through rate of 7%, and the competition is way lower. So this is like a medium competition keyword that I would add to my list to add to my title and tags of my Etsy listing. Scroll down again and see more different suggestions of things that could be good for your listing on Etsy. Now I'm going to do another thing with Sales Samurai here, which is go over to Etsy and use the Chrome extension to sort of narrow this down a little bit more. So over on Etsy, I've typed in pencil case, and you can see the Sales Samurai Chrome extension here. It's going to show the search volume, which if you don't have Sales Samurai plugged in, then this is not going to show up for you. What we're going to do is go ahead and click on this number right here, 430 more. It's going to pull it up in a new window and suggest us even more keywords based on competition. Okay, so it went ahead and suggested us a bunch of keywords. I'm going to sort this from the lowest to the highest competition. We can scroll through here and have a look. This one says pop-up pencil case. That would be a fairly decent keyword. We can scroll a little further and we can see multi-function pencil case. Definitely could use that one. And we have zip it pencil case. That looks like a really good one. You can check all of the ones that you think would work for you, and then you can actually download those and have your list of all of those really good keywords. So now that I see that there is definitely a space for us where we're competing with only 1,000 or so other sellers rather than 50,000 sellers, if we just use the word pencil case in our listing, then this is going to help to narrow it down for us so we are actually getting found amongst a smaller amount of listings on Etsy. When someone comes to Etsy and types in zip it pencil case or multi-function pencil case, these are very buyer intent keywords. You know, if someone is typing this in, they're looking for a very specific item and they are ready to buy. So you want to be the one that's getting found so they buy from you. Now I'm going to show you two different ways that you can actually do designs. One way is going to be in Canva, and the other way is going to go into Creative Fabrica and find a done-for-you design if you don't want to search it for a ton of different elements like I'm going to do right now. So inside of Canva, you can click on elements and then type in what you're looking for. I typed in rainbow, and then you can just go ahead and scroll through until you find one that you like. So what I'm going to do, just as a different example here, is go ahead and select this one. We can make it just a little bit bigger, and then if someone wants to do, say, a custom name, all you need to do there is pull up the font, and then you can type the name there. You can make it lowercase if you want, and then you can just change the font to make it like a script. And then you can just move it down here. You'll have the custom name, and then what you can do is go ahead and download this with a transparent background, and then you can upload it to Printify to fulfill that custom name order. Next item that we're going to look for is back to school t-shirts. So we are under the best-selling items for Etsy, and we are under clothing, and I'm just gonna sort here by sales potential, and we see this here, back to school shirt for girls, 4th grade. And so this one has a really high demand right now. 30 listings on the first page have gotten sales today with this keyword, and the competition for that is about 3,000 other listings, which is still fairly you know, that you can definitely fit in there as a new store. So let's go ahead and click through on the details and check out some of these shirts. As we click through and sort by faves, we see this really simple Hello 4th grade back to school shirt. You can see that this has 428 favorites. They have had a sale today. And you can see all of the tags here that they are actually using for this shirt. Now, to go ahead and verify that we can rank for this as a smaller store, we're going to go back to Sales Samurai and do that whole process again that I just showed you. I'm not going to repeat it again because I just showed you exactly how to do that. You would just go ahead and use that keyword for 4th grade shirt. Now I'm over on Creative Fabrica and we're going to type in 4th grade shirt and we're going to select special license for print on demand. And we can just scroll until we find something that looks interesting that we could use on a shirt. And I think this one looks pretty cool. So we can go ahead and click through. You see that it says commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. So you can go ahead and download this, upload it to Canva. You can add to it if you would like, put some more hearts on it, some stars, anything that you see fit. Technically, you can use it as is if you want to. And then once you download it with a transparent background, then you can upload it to Printify. And Printify is going to fulfill the order once you connect it to your Etsy shop. So this is super simple. There's unlimited amounts of designs that you can find and model for your own store when it comes to back to school. If you get yourself 50 listings in your store for back to school really quickly, you can go ahead and capitalize on the demand for these items. If you use Sales Samurai to verify that you aren't competing with a lot of other sellers on the keyword or the search term that you decide to use in your titles and your tags, then you can absolutely crush it. So I hope you received a ton of value from today's video and you're excited to get out there and make some of these really cute back to school items. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those down below for me. I'm happy to answer those. Also, I am going to leave a link down below to a document that I put together with all of the items that are going to be discounted as of August 1st over on Printify. So these are definitely some things that you want to consider for your store so that your profit margins are a lot larger. So I look forward to hearing about how all of your back to school items go. So let me know and I will see you back soon.
Survive.